How often do you check your bank balance and feel okay? Not rich, not broke, just fine. If you're anything like me, you probably have this vague idea of being good with money, but you're not entirely sure what that actually means for your future. I recently had a consultation with a financial advisor at Regions Bank, and I walked in expecting a complicated lecture about stocks and bonds. But I walked out with one piece of advice that totally shifted my perspective. It wasn't about what to buy or sell. It was about time. The power of the first 5 years. The advisor asked me, "Do you have a financial plan that extends beyond the next 12 months?" I said no. Most of my planning was focused on the next paycheck. That's when she dropped the real wisdom. She told me that the most financially powerful period of my life is actually the first 5 years of my earning career. Not when I'm older and make more money. Now. Why? Because of compounding and the principle of time-weighted returns. Think about it like this. $1 you invest today has 10, 20, or even 30 more years to grow and earn interest on top of that interest, compared to $1 you invest 10 years from now. That early money is on a rocket ship. The concrete strategy. This advice wasn't just theoretical. It led to a simple, concrete strategy. Automate your future. Set up an automatic transfer every single paycheck. It doesn't have to be a lot, but it has to be consistent. Make saving and investing a non-negotiable bill. If you work for a company with a 401k match, she stressed, never leave free money on the table. Separate your money. She advised having at least 3 separate accounts, checking for bills, emergency savings, and a dedicated investment/retirement account. You need to make it physically difficult to borrow from your future self. Seeing that dedicated investment balance grow over time is its own kind of motivation. Don't chase the hot stock. Her final point, which was a huge relief, was to focus on long-term stability over short-term gains. She suggested low-cost index funds, the slow, steady winners, especially in those early years. Consistency beats speculation every time. The overall message was clear. Your biggest advantage is your youth, not your knowledge. Stop waiting to have enough money to start. Start now, with what you have, and let time do the heavy lifting. That initial commitment in your first 5 years is where the true wealth-building magic happens. If you're just starting out or feeling stuck, remember this: the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.